Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just checking in with you again. I am 5 weeks out now from CBBF National Championships being held in Halifax. Feeling pretty good still with the progress. Things are really starting to lean out. Muscle belly's starting to pop out a lot. So, I'm happy with my progress. Just finished up a chest and delt workout with my coach. And, feeling pretty good. So, yeah, I've been doing some cardio for the last couple of weeks now. Some HIIT cardio. So probably gonna start doing a lot more of low intensity stuff. Just walking on an incline on the treadmill after my workouts. So I want to stay as full as possible for the next few weeks leading right up to the show. Being lean is good, but I'm focusing more on staying as full as possible. Keep those muscle bellies popping out. Try to give that illusion of being a lot bigger than I actually am. So far so good, and everything seems to be right on track. And coach is happy. I'm happy. The diet is easy. It's no harder the second time around, really. So everything seems to be playing out just the way we planned it. So hopefully, we can bring a little bit better package than we did at the provincial show. And yeah, that's about it, really. So I'll be in touch with you guys, and I'll try to get back to a lot of the emails that I've gotten over the last week or so. It's just basically been trying to stay as focused as possible with my training. So it's not that I'm ignoring you, just been really focused, that's all. But thanks for all your emails and words of encouragement, and to all you that are following and been following my progress, thanks. Helps keep me motivated, knowing that I motivate and inspire others. So yeah, till next time, see y'all again.